Rhino Restoration of Texas is a trusted name in the residential roofing industry in Austin, Texas. With years of experience, their team of skilled residential roofers has a reputation for delivering exceptional quality and unmatched customer service. Their commitment to excellence is evident in every project they undertake, whether it's a simple roof repair or a complete roof replacement. If you're looking for reliable, affordable, and professional residential roofers in Austin, Texas, look no further than Rhino Restoration of Texas. Contact our residential roofers today to schedule a consultation. Are you looking for a residential roofers near me? You can stop looking. You found Rhino Restoration of Texas. How much does a roof replacement cost in Texas? The cost of a new roof replacement in Texas varies based on the material chosen for your property. Is it illegal in Texas for a roofer to pay your deductible? No. It has always been prohibited in Texas for a roofer to waive or reduce a deductible or to give a free roof. What is your residential roofers area for the Austin, Texas office? Our local residential roofers have assisted clients in the surrounding areas of Austin, Fredericksburg, Llano, New Braunfels, Lampasas, Temple, Cameron, College Station, Brenham, Columbus, Gonzales, Navasota, Killeen, Seguin, Saba, Burnet, San Marcos, Grange, Madisonville, San Antonio, Waco, Houston, Texas. Where is your residential roofers Austin, Texas business located? We are located at 8912 Achita Drive, Austin, Texas 78749. Our phone number is 512-825-0478. Visit our website, www.rhinoroofstx.com/residential-roofing.